juniors from this North America, from this United States, from this one. So it means junior or seniors. So it means so junior first from this one. So what do you think from these US juniors from this championship here? So let's see of these video clips here. So watch this one. Hello everyone, happy Saturday here from this one, and also have a analyze of these games in US National Championship from these US juniors and seniors from this one, from this located in United States of America. So it means so today is round number 8 from this one in this juniors here from this one. So after that later from this next here from this US junior girls divisions from this one. So how many clocks here, or maybe 1 hour and 30 minutes from this one in this long game from this round robin from this one. So two games analyzed from this ones here from this one. First from juniors, the second is US junior girls divisions here from this one. And these are the gentlemen's here from this one, and also between from this grandmaster in half from US India. So USA is Abhimanyu Mishra from this one, or maybe from this teenage from this one. And versus by grandmaster in USA is Barrington Hardaway. Hardaway. So Hardaway from this one. So in this today's round number 8 here from this one, in this part of this video, you have analyzed of these chess games in this US juniors division here from this one. So white plays Mishra is e4, e5 Hardaway, knight f3, knight c6, and entering Roy Lopez opening and Morphy defense by a6. So it means without a6. So why don't we try, is the main line is used by knight to d4 or Skolberg defense, and used by Wesley So from this defense, or maybe Wesley So or Burning defense here. So it means Morphy defense is a6 by Hardaway from this one. Hardaway. So Hardaway from this one, and bishop backwards a4 and knight f6. What do you call this one? It's called Roy Lopez opening, Morphy defense, Columbus variation. So what do you think so the name from this one is Christopher Columbus. So these are the date from this 15,000 from this one in this country from Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus. So it means Columbus variation from this one, or maybe without Columbus. And castling by Mishra. Without castling, and bishop c5. Without bishop to c5, or maybe with idea by castling kingside. So for example, so what do you think if your knight takes captured, takes e4? So what do you think from this one, and rook to e1 with idea by threats by knights here, and used by knight d6. So it means these are a slightly good examples here from this one, or slightly goods from these examples. So it means by used by Hardaway is bishop to c5 without precise move here from this one, and also c3. Without c3 by Mishra, and also b5 already, or attacks by bishop. So these are the threats by bishops here from this one, or continuations. And backwards bishop b3. I don't know with the idea by castling. I don't know castling here from this one, without castling, and also d6, or maybe without d6 by Hardaway, and also a4 without ready by captured, and bishop b7 without light square bishop from this one, and also d3, h6. So it means without h6 by no more by bishop to c5. Bishop to c5, no more by knight to c5. So these are the continuations here from this one, and bishop e3 without bishop to bishops here from this one. So it means these are a novelty by Kimchi Restaurant. Joking, that's joke. So it means novelty by Mishra from this game. So these are the old main lines. Good novelties: knight 2, knight to bd2, knight to bd2 is a old main lines here. So it means, so novelty is what is from Kimchi Restaurant, Bishop E3. Kimchi Restaurant. So it means kimchi, like kimchi, like a spicy from cabbage here. So it means Bishop E3 continues this one, and Bishop takes captured, pawn takes, and castling by Hardaway. Hardaway. So Hardaway, the pronounced Hardaway from these pronunciations. Takes, rook takes captured. Threats by queens. Wait, bishop takes captured. Sorry, bishop takes captured by rooks here from this one, or maybe without capture from this one. And knight a3, without idea by attacks by pawn. So these are the controls here from this one, or maybe without attacks. Push b4, pawns with idea by threats, knights and pawn. Double. These are the doubles from this one. And knight c4, or maybe with idea. So these are the idea by controls here from this one, or develops here from this one. And bishop b7, and also queen e1. Without queen e1, without defense by pawns here from this one, and takes by captured, queen takes captured, or maybe with idea by next target by knight to a5, or ready by captured by knights, or threats by bishop. So these are the continuations here from this one. And queen e7 here from this one, and knight go back cd2. So it means, for example, in accept, why don't we move knight to a5? So it means, so what do you think from this one? And if you capture this, knight takes captured, threatening by bishop. So how do you think from this one? And decided captured, queen takes knight, etc, etc. These are the slightly goods here from this one, from these whites here and blacks. So it means, so Mishra, why move cd2 by knights backwards here from this one, or go backs here? And g6 here by Hardaway, and without continuations, and bishop to c4, without controls, or maybe without continuous here, without develops here. And also king g7 here from Hardaway, and rook a1. So it means with idea by next move by bishop to a6. These are the controls here from this one, or develops, or maybe without next by connecting by bishops here from this one. And rook a8 without rook to rook, and accept rook takes, bishop takes captured, no more rooks by two rooks, no rook 2, no 2 rooks from this one. And also bishop d5, threatening by knights here from this one, and queen d7 without defense by knights, and queen b3. With the idea by captured. So captured by pawns. So threat by pawns, because these are the behinds, the queens here, without develops here from this one. And also queen e8 here, and knight c4. That's okay, knight c4, or maybe here by examples by knight to c4 by connecting by Mishra. Knight e7 with attacks by bishop. So attacks, or maybe attacks by bishop. These are the attacks without doubles by knights here from this one. And bishop takes captured, queen takes captured. The idea by move by queen a1 check. Dangerous by check. These are the correct check here, without continuations here from this one. And also queen a3 without queen to queen, and ignoring by Hardaway by queen e8. So what do you think if you capture this? Queen takes captured. So what do you think from this one? And knight takes captured, knight takes a3. So it means, so if you capture this one, queen takes captured, pawn takes captured. So these are the examples here from this one. These are determinations. from this one, slightly better from whites and blacks. So it means good example. So it means why Hardaway ignoring by queen e8 by ignoring by queens here from this one, and also h3 here by no more by knight to g4. So it means not knight g4. So it means no more by knight to g4. Controls here from this one, and also knight c8 by Hardaway, or without move here by knight to b6 or attacks by knights. These are the controls here from this one, and queen a6 here by to stop by no more by knight to b6 here from this control leagues here from this one, and go back knight e7 and also b4, queen c8 without queen to queen and ignoring by Mishra from this one, and knight d7, knight fd2 without move controls by defense, and queen b7. Oh, that queen b7, so it means correct. Queen e4, queen a4 without defense by develops by pawns, and queen c6 without queen to queen and ignoring by Mishra, queen a5, queen b7, queen a4, queen c6, queen to queen, and b5 threat by queens here, and queen b7, queen b4, knight c6, queen a4, oh, knight e7, queen b4, oh, knight c6, hey, queen a4 on knight e7. So it means these are the rap songs from this DJ. So it means DJ by rap songs. So draw from this juniors round number 8. So the score from this one in Mishra 97.4 and score by Hardaway is 97.9, winning by Hardaway. So it means Hardaway. So it means next from this second game within junior girls division here from this one. So what do you think that is from this name of these two girls here? So let's see of this one. So the next junior girls division from this one, from this round number 8 here from this one, and also between from this FIDE Master in this USA is Royang Yan versus Woman International Master in USA is Iris Mo from this one. So it means in this part of this video, without long game, within time clocks, in this part of this video, we have analyzed of these chess games in this juniors girls division. So white plays Yan is e4, e6 by Mo without French defense here from this one, and d4, d5 is called French defense normal violation from this one, and knight c3. So it means these are the main lines is used by here by e5 or captured by pawn. So it means whether captured by determinations here from this one or captured. So it means Yan is knight c3. So Yan. So Yan. So what do you think? The speak Tagalogs is Yan. Tagalog or maybe Filipino from this one. So it means the word is Yan. So it means, so let's continue knight c3 by Yan from this one, and bishop b4. Oh, it's called by Whenever variation from this one. So French defense by bishop b4 or without by pins by king or check or continuations here from this one. So what do you think from this one? And e5 without closest pushes by pawns here from this one, and knight e7 without upcoming castling by Mo. Like a cow. Without the cow here from this one, cow or thinking animals from this cow. Mo. Sound like that. So it means knight e7 here from this one, and a3 threats by bishops, and bishop takes captured check, and pawn takes bishop, or with the idea by bishop to b2, or maybe simple is knight to f3 or controls here from this one, and also b6 without upcoming by light square bishop, or maybe without not yet ready by castling kingside by Mo. So it means without continuations without Mo on this one, and bishop b5 check, and also c6 threats attacks by pawns, and go back bishop d3. So it means without go back by Yan from this one, and also bishop to a6 without bishop to bishops here from this one, and knight e2. So it means these are a novelty by Yan of this game. So these are the old main line is continue captured by bishop. So these are the ready by captured. So we need to captured by bishop from this good novelty here from this one. So back novelty is knight e2 by Yan with idea by castling kingside by Yan from this one, and decided bishop takes captured, queen takes bishop. How simple is that? Queen takes bishop here from this one, and also c5 with idea by captured by pawns, and also h4. Strongest by Yan. So it means the strongest here from this one, or simple is that here from this one. And also queen d7. Not yet by castling by Mo from these games by WIM from this one, and h5. Wow, what a nice shot by pawns here from this one, and h6. Good move by Mo to stop by pawns here from this one, and a4. Oh my god, what a surprise. So it means these are the controls here, and also knight bc6, knight bc6 here. So it means these are the, to speak the words here from this one, knight bc6 here from this one, or without ready by continuations here by simple is that knight a5. I don't know what is the meaning of this, or upcoming by castling not yet ready, castling kingside or castling queenside. So these are the next move here from this one, and captured by pawn, captured, and also f4 with idea to next targets here by move by c4 or attacks by queens here from this one, or maybe without queens here from this one, and also queen b7 without move sides here. So it means that's not one of this computer engine by queen b7 by Mo. So the ones computer here simple is castling kingside. So simple castling kingside is the best moves here from this one. So it means that these are best moves from these examples. So back there is queen b7 by Mo from this one, and bishop a3 with idea by threats by pawns, and without queen by knight. So these are the continuations here without connecting by here by bishop or targets by pawns, and next pinned by knights here from this one. These are continuations here from this one, and also queen b5 develops by pawns here from this one, and queen b5 without queen to queen here from this one, and c4. So it means another bad move by Mo. So the best moves there is queen c7 without ignoring from this one, after without queen to queen. So these are the continuations here. So slightly better by good connecting here from this one. These are good connecting from these determinations here. So it means back there is c4 here from this one. These are the moves here by strongest by Mo from this one, and bishop c5 without threats by queen. So it means error move by wrong move by Yan from this game. So the best moves there is queen takes captured, and decided pawn takes captured, threats by pawns or without pawns here, and decided is bishop to b4. Bishop to b4. So simple is that is slightly better here. This one it is whites and blacks or continuations here. So these are controls. So back there, this one is bishop c5 by Yan without attacks by queens or without queen to queen. So these are the connecting here from this one without targets, and also queen c7 ignoring by Mo, bishop d6 attacks by queens, and queen d7 without moves side or ignoring here from this one, and castling kingside. So it means these are bad moves by castle from this one. So the best moves there is one is knight to d4 here. So knight d4. So knight d4, or maybe here by here is queen to c5. So queen to c5 here from this one. These are the continuations. So two best moves here is also, so first first best moves is knight to d4, or second is the best moves is queen to c5. So two best games here from this one. So back there is castling bad move by Yan in this games here from this one, and also a6 without threats attacks by queens, and go backwards queen b2 by Yan of this one. So these are continuations here from this one, and also queen a7 check, and also king h2, knight f5 without good move by Mo, with the idea by attacks by bishop. So these are the attacking here from this one, and bishop a3, so it means another bad move by Yan. So the best moves there is knight to d4 here. So knight d4, if you move by here by f takes captured pawns, f takes captured knights here from this one, and decided this one is pawn captured knight. So these are continuations here without slightly better from these whites here or blacks from this one. So it means back there is bishop a3 by Yan of these games, and also f6 here without f6 here, and knight d4. Oh, look at this. These are the precise or fantastic move by Yan of these games, and knight takes good move, pawn takes here by captured, and rook b8 by Mo, with the idea by attacks by queens, or without attacks, without threat by queens here, and queen c3, queen takes captured without queen to queen, and ignoring by Yan from this game. So it means these are the ignoring from this one, and captured by pawns, queen g4. Oh, without queen g4, without move side here from this one, or continuations by develops here. King d7. Oh, why don't king d7? So it means never by castling king side by king d7 by Mo from this one, and also queen g6. Oh, with idea by here without move side by queen f7 check. Oh, these are check. So these are the continuations, or we need to idea to move here from this one, and rook e8 here from this one, and also queen f7 check. Oh, look at this. These are the check here from this one, or good precise by Yan of these games, and king d8, and rook ab1 without rook to rooks, and rook takes accepted, rook takes captured, or these are the bishop versus knight. So bishop versus knight here from this one. These are the continuations here from this one, and queen captured pawn check, and also king g1, queen d4 check, king h2, queen f4, or king g1, queen d4, or king h2, queen f4. So second is draw from 3 repetitions, so it means draw from this game. So these are the juniors and juniors girls, same by draw, both draws of this one. So the score by Royang Yan is 93.1 accuracy, and the score by Iris Iris Mo is 94 points, the 4 points. So the winner of this point is Iris Mo from this one. So next of this game from this last round, number 9, so I will choose of this best analyzed within juniors and juniors girls from this last round for this one. I will analyze of these 2 games analyzed. So I hope at this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Happy Saturday. Bye bye.